don't know if you guys can see me or not, but hi guys, my name is Jordan. Of course, the reason I haven't been putting YouTube videos a lot is because I accidentally deleted YouTube and I didn't know, and I was away from the internet for a long time. So I couldn't get it back until I got internet. My mom and dad got internet here at my house, so I can watch YouTube here now. Well, it's been a long time, and then I downloaded it, and then I was looking through my tablet, the YouTube, and then I saw my channel and I was like, oh my gosh, is my YouTube videos still there? I checked and they were there. I was like super excited. Well, anyways, let me stop talking and talk about the thing that I'm going to do today. Well, today I am going to make slime. The thing that happened was I didn't have Elmer's glue or any glue that I could have. And the only routine I know is with the glue and like what's it called? I forgot, but the thing that has colors. What was it? Food coloring, right. Food coloring and glue, food coloring, and some contact solution. That's the only one that I can do because the other ones are like not hard, but I feel like I'm gonna mess up on the other ones. So the only one is glue, food coloring, and what's it called? Yeah, contact solution. Anyways, I already have the glue right here. Excuse the mess. We came back from Alabama, long trip, and my baby sister just came in whenever my aunt and uncle were here, and my cousin, and she made a mess. So yeah, we're going to find the contact solution. It's gonna be dark, so you're not gonna be able to see anything unless we can hear that light. Contact solution and a bowl. I had my contact solution on the table. I think it's on the kitchen, but I had to turn on the light because I have no idea. Okay, good. Okay, so there's the light again. It's a mess here also, but excuse it. Oh, here it is. I have the Nickelodeon slime activator. I have very little, but this, if it works, it can do the trick. Okay, I'm gonna open up this. Get food coloring. Any kind of food coloring, like an Easter thing, but whatever. I guess I'll use the food coloring. Doesn't matter. Actually, I'm gonna use green, so it's gonna look like boogers. Not, but yeah. So I have everything, not everything. I need everything. I have a mixer already. I just need like a little bowl that doesn't even care to us. I think you can make slime with a, what's it called? Bowl. I have, sorry if you can't see anything, put it down, tap it down. I have this Lego Movie cup from McDonald's. I got kids meals. I like kids meals better than regular meals for some reason because I like the kids toys. Okay, we're going back to my Lego make slime. Hopefully this works. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you in the room because it's like super. Okay. My mom. Okay, well, I have everything. I have the glue, contact solution, the food coloring. This is my mixer. It's a broken thingy. I'm gonna mix it with the cup. I don't know if it's gonna work. Also, you guys, I have been checking my YouTube channel, and I'm not being rude or anything, but I mean, whatever. I am trying to get, let's try to get 100 subscribers. If you can tell anybody of your friends what you can do, I'll make funny videos. I'm gonna start making funny videos. I'm really clumsy and stuff. My family is just weird. I'll do anything for you guys. You guys just try to get a lot of people to come to the YouTube channel. Tell your friends or everybody. I used to have Musical.ly, but my mom said to delete it, so I'm sorry. But yeah, you might know my sister, Krista Villagrana. She was making videos, but then she started to quit, so that stinks. I'm just filling the whole bottom with glue. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Take off the glue right here. Okay. We're gonna put green food coloring in here. Just 2 drops, I guess. And let's mix it up. We want to get the color in there. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's just. I'm gonna open. I cannot make a mess in my room. My dad will come eat. I'm gonna be adding glue while I'm doing this. But yeah. So yeah. Okay, let's just mix it. My parents don't know I'm getting slime in my room. It's a secret. Don't tell my parents. A lot of glue coming out. Okay. This is turning out good. The color's going really good. I like the color. Check out my other videos, of course. Now that it's almost done, I'm opening up the contact solution so it can be ready. Squirt. You guys might know me from my other yeah, I've seen people do my draw my lives and stuff. I don't have anything to draw besides my chalkboard, and I don't really want to use it, but I'll tell my life if I can remember it. I gotta mix it up. Okay. I think this could be good for now. I'll put it there. The glue is green. That glue is green. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's add some contact solution. Oh, well, I'll tell you guys while I'm mixing this contact solution. I'll tell you guys a little about myself. Hold on, let me change this to a pencil. I have a pencil that doesn't even work. Oh, it's one of these other ones. Let's see. Nope. Well, I'm gonna get in trouble because I sell my new pencils, and I'm gonna get so much trouble if my dad doesn't bring around. That's good. If my dad figures out, I'm dead. But yeah, it's not going out like I wanted it to. Add more glue. Add some more contact solution. A little more. The slime is not working out, guys. Oh my gosh. It just doesn't work. I'm dead. Because I just wasted glue. just like it's, oh my gosh, guys, I think I have to put the whole thing. I don't care. I'm putting the whole thing, guys. Bad idea. It's all watery. Oh my gosh. I think I messed it up. I'm gonna put more glue, like seriously, guys. It's like totally watering. Oh my gosh. They will kill me. My sister is coming, guys. Oh my god. I gotta hurry up. If anyone find me like this, mixing slime, they will kill me. Oh. What contact? Forgot. Put like 4 drops in there. That should be good. I should do it. Turns into like a good green. It's really like green, but I don't think it's enough. I have no more contact solution. My mom has the rest if I need any. That's one. No reason at all. Right? Just like slime. Guys. This is horrible, guys. It's like so horrible, guys. It's not even forming, as you can see. It's forming a little bit. Oh, this is super terrible what I did because my parents would kill me. If my dad knew this with my siblings would kill me. I don't know how my sister does this stuff. I don't know why I'm messing. Okay. Well, guys, the slime turned out bad. That stinks. I'm gonna pour this out and yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry that it went bad, but yeah. Thank you for watching this video. And I will see you guys later. Remember, tell all your friends, tell all your friends that I have my channel. Remember, I want 100 subscribers and likes. Come on, like it up. Come on, you guys. And also check out YouTube channels, Cupquake, Lucas Marcus. And yeah, okay, bye guys.